Wait, don't bite this fruit unless you are ready for a shock. This is Bilimbi, also known as the cucumber tree fruit. It's extremely sour, but that sourness is powerful. Bilimbi is packed with vitamin C, antioxidants, and natural acids that help boost your immune system, improve digestion, and even support healthy skin. In Sri Lanka and many Asian countries, it's used in curries, pickles, and even traditional remedies to help with cough and high blood pressure. Some people even use it as a natural cleaner because of its strong acidity. But remember, eat it in small amounts because too much can be too strong for your body. Would you dare to taste this? Let me know below.